Sinyoung machinery helps African users achieve production capacity targets. After 10 years of continuous refinement and market validation, Sinyoung Natural Rubber Processing Line has established a good reputation in Africa. At present, more than 10 production lines are operating stably in African rubber factories. Even when dealing with hard and difficult to process African raw materials, it can still achieve continuous and stable operation 24 hours a day. From waterline processing, drying, to automatic packaging, Sinyoung can provide a completely solution based on the user's requirements. Sinyoung uses stable and reliable waterline equipment, industry-leading drying system, customized automated packaging solution, help customers continuously improve product quality and production capacity. We are professionals and dedicated to serving you. Please contact us to learn more. Sinyoung Rubber Machinery always strives for excellence.